Hi, everybody, and welcome back to the Weather Forecast Center. This is John. I'd like to give you an update on what was post tropical cyclone 1, which has now been named Alberto. This is Tropical Storm Alberto on the infrared satellite picture that you're seeing right now. Most of the convection is to the south and southeast of the center, but that will fully be wrapped around as time goes on. Uh, this is a minimal tropical storm with 40-mile-an-hour winds, and I will get to these now. Its location is, if you're plotting on a map, 22.2 north, 95.0 west, is about 185 miles east of Tampico, Mexico, or 295 miles south southeast of Brownsville, Texas. Movement is west at 9. It, like I said, the maximum sustained winds is 40 miles an hour, and its minimal central pressure is 995 millibars. So it's still a um, weak storm, and there have been no changes to the watches or warnings. Basically, there's a tropical storm warning from Mexico up along the far deep south and southeast coast of Texas. And again, this has just been upgraded, so I'm just reading along just like you guys are. Alberto is a large tropical storm with tropical storm force winds extending outward up to 415 miles north of the center. So, from the center, tropical storm force winds are extended out 415 miles. So, even though you may not get the brunt of this storm, you will feel the winds from this. The latest hazards out of this is 5 to 10 inches of rain in South Texas, with higher terrain in the country of Mexico up to 20 inches. So there would be urban, river, and flash flooding likely. Storm surge has stayed where it was in the previous updates, which is basically 1 to 4 feet of storm surge along the Texas and Louisiana coast. And the tropical storm conditions are expected within the warning area today through early Thursday. So there'll be probably a 18-hour window of tropical storm conditions. And there may be a couple of tornadoes possible today and tonight in deep Texas and southeast Texas, with some of the with some of the bands coming in. So that is the update on what is now Tropical Storm Alberto. Um, if you haven't already, please subscribe. If you like this, press the like button. And if any other further updates are warranted, I will be back with those. Thank you for watching and have a nice Wednesday.